friends, and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka Pezliz, and I'm streaming this live on twitch.tv/pezliz. On In Printing Color, I like to showcase all sorts of fun Polymaker materials, but one that you might not be aware of that is actually kind of new and very exciting to me is the Panchroma Basic PLA. So Polymaker has brought us back to basics with a new formula, basic PLA, and take a look at all of the color selection. So this is a basic PLA, but it is a new high-speed formula. So it's engineered to work with all the new styles of printers and supports volumetric speeds up to 28 millimeters per second and print speeds up to 350 millimeters per second. So with that, you're able to achieve smooth, precise results in a fraction of the time. And of course, you can print all sorts of fun things with this filament. There is a wide variety of colors, and the restock is happening as we speak. It is fully in stock in Canada, with the exception of very few colors, but in the US they are going through a restock. So get your hands on the wait list, put yourself on the wait list, and get your hands on this filament when the restock happens. So to show you how beautiful these colors are, I have a couple examples of some filaments here in the Panchroma Basic PLA. We have some white, we have pink, and we have purple. This is, now it is holding an envelope here. This is Fixumdude's Valentine's napkin holder. You could hold Valentines in it though, as you can see. But these are really lovely, vibrant colors, really good payoff, and a very nice finish. And another thing is, if you are going to be writing notes to your Valentine, you could use the red and green and print this bearded printer flower pen. So this is a flower pen. It's you actually are able to, as you can see, insert a pen inside, and you can write your love notes with this. So this is the red and the green, and as you can see, you've got a really nice finish here and really vibrant colors. So don't sleep on this filament when it's back in stock. The Panchroma Basic PLA is available for your high-speed printers, and of course for your regular everyday printers, no matter what you're doing. Get into the rainbow there and experience the Panchroma Basic PLA. This has been In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka Pezliz. I stream this live on twitch.tv/Pezliz. You could be there right now joining the giveaway so you could have a spool of Polymaker filament. Merci beaucoup and happy printing.